Those who control distribution will own the industry. Open banking, challenger banks, unbundling financial services, that's a very interesting combination. I don't think that anyone can still fully envisage how the future will look like following open banking. Fintechs can launch a new proposition that will provide customers with the full functionality of a bank in terms of data, analytics, payments, and so on, without owning a banking license. Anyone who received the PISP and AISP license from the FCA can use the CMA9 infrastructure to build new propositions. And that's quite a revolution. Regulators turn incumbent banks, the CMA9, into utility providers. So they must, by law, provide their banking infrastructure as a utility to any regulated party. Now we see a transition from banking that is transactional, that is product-led, to a customer-focused, customer-centric banking. I think that incumbent banks and financial institutions in general will try to follow one or more of the following strategies. So one will be building platforms that will capture more and more touch points with customers and try to serve more and more of the customer needs. And then the second trend is to own a vertical value chain. And through that, you reach economy of scale and higher profitability and obviously competitive edge within the specific vertical. The third would be API as a channel, where if you think of Goldman Sachs and the recent launch of the Apple Card, a third party that owns the relationship, that has the customer base, and can be underpinned by a financial service provider with strong APIs that will allow them to create many different touch points with customers behind the scenes. So they won't own the actual relationship, but they will be everywhere. Banks will need to evolve through one or more of the strategies, which mean building platforms or specialize on specific verticals and own more of the value chain, or focus on API as a channel and trying to do the best with their specific competitive advantage. Platformization is essentially rebundling of financial services.